Welcome to a SkyToll.com video. In this video we will be demonstrating and proving the viability of street legal non-motorized vehicles. Vehicles specifically engineered to operate and drive without motors or engines. As you watch these video segments, keep in mind that entrepreneurs around the world are making claims of over-unity devices that give you free energy. No free energy device is valid until you have that actual device operating in an application such as load to power a home or propulsion to move a vehicle. The non-motorized vehicle is an example of using energy, roughly 750 watts or 7 light bulbs, to move a vehicle as heavy as 2,000 pounds. This is proof in application to create propulsion and movement. The non-motorized vehicle was engineered and researched for over 30 years to study physics and physics movement of machinery and motors, to prove that efficiencies for energy are engineered backwards in traditional motors and machines. The non-motorized vehicle also proves that today's engines need to do a whole lot better in creating propulsion to make operation for cars. For well over 100 years, there has been no breakthrough results in the propulsion of motors and engines. Even today's mechanic really doesn't understand the fundamentals of physics and efficiency for motors and engines. Otherwise, they would have realized that they're building devices engineered improperly or designed backwards by engineers. Engineers also lack the expertise to really study true propulsion and true efficiency for making vehicles and other devices operate properly. Today's consumer is getting much more educated than they were many years ago about vehicles and vehicle efficiency. $5 a gallon will make you realize that you're not getting very far on today's dollars. The consumer today now demands better, more efficient vehicles, and the non-motorized vehicle is going to make automobile manufacturers have to start to wake up and realize that consumers want better results from today's transportation. Another misconception in the transportation industry is the use of hybrid type vehicles. These vehicles will cause more problems, more congestion, and more traffic deaths because people will be able to use their vehicles, whereas today with inefficient vehicles people don't travel very far. Giving people more efficient vehicles creates more use and more congestion on American roadways. Roughly 42,000 people die annually on the American highways. So using a guideway system is a much better alternative to any other type of transportation technology. You can learn more information by visiting SkyToll.com or GasFreeNJ4NewJersey.com websites.